see I'm there, right there in your heart. So I'm down, down, down. Girl, I'll be staying down, 'cause you are the greatest. You are the greatest love.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Neknatural. How are you doing today? I believe you're doing good. As for me, I'm doing good. Thank God to the spring weather that we are in now, at least. That is better than winter. So I'm so sorry for not being able to upload video as I used to upload, but I promise I'll try my best to be uploading as much as I can. So I come to you today with this braidless crochet with expression hair. Yeah, this is expression hair. 2 packs of expression hair cut into 3, and this is color 1. I will show you everything in the video, whatever I did to achieve this. And the pattern I used for this crochet is the African threading pattern. I will put the link to other of my videos that I have used the African threading as a pattern to crochet hair. So have you subscribed to this channel? Have you subscribed to Neknatural? Are you a subscriber, or are you a viewer, or are you intending subscriber, future subscribers? Please, if you have not yet subscribed, click on the subscribe button and be part of us. I appreciate it. So as you click the subscribe button, don't forget to click the bell button beside it for you to get my upload whenever I upload. So guys, let's go into the video. Let's go into the tutorial to see how I achieve this using the African threading method, using the African threading pattern, and using expression hair, getting this kind of coils. So let's go. Let's go. So I start by sectioning my hair and making the parts and how I'm going to do the African threading. You can do your own big, you can do your own small. It depends on how you want it, but I prefer doing it smaller because it makes it to lie down better. So I am putting some cream on my scalp to avoid itching, especially when you're going to put a extension hair or something like this expression on your hair. You have to make sure that your scalp is well moisturized. Here I'm putting the thread. I'm using the thread for sewing clothes. You can use the main African threading, anyone you have. So I go ahead to hold the hair and then place the thread on the root of the hair and start wrapping it. You wrap it up to the half of the hair or like quarter of the hair. It depends on the length of your hair. So you wrap it like this, you leave it and you go to the next section. Then you take the former section, place it on the new section and start wrapping. By doing this way, it makes it to lie flat. And you wrap it and wrap it again up to half of it. Then you leave it. That is how you're going to do all of them till you get to the last one at the back. Then you will finish it. It's not difficult, it's something very easy. Anybody can do it, especially if you cannot do the cornrows, because not everybody knows how to do cornrows, but I believe everybody will know how to do this African threading. So continue watching. I did the same thing to the last of it. That is what I did to all of the hair to get the African threading pattern. So guys, keep on watching and enjoy the video. And when you're holding the root, don't hold it too tight to avoid headaches or to avoid pulling your edges. And I don't pay too much attention on the neatness of the hair, because I know the braided hair will definitely cover the pattern of the hair. So anyhow you do it, as long as you can crochet to your hair, that is what is important. So guys, I'm done with the African threading. This is the pattern. Xpression Hair in color 1. This is how I cut it into 3, then twist it, then put it in a hot water before I now crochet it on my head. I bring it out. This is the rope I use in holding it on the chair before you braid it. So what I do, I will remove it like this. I will separate it into, maybe if it is big, I will make it into 3 like this. See, it's not smooth, so I will use a Eco Styler gel to smooth it, to smooth the flyaways so that it will look smooth and look nice. Then I will crochet it. This is Xpression Hair, twisted and put inside hot water. So I can now crochet it. Then after that I start crocheting. What you need to do the crochet is your crochet needle and the hair that you're going to crochet. I believe many people know how to do the crochet. It's not all that difficult. It's just to pass the crochet needle and you place the hair on the hook and close it, then you draw the hair out. It's not all that difficult. There are many videos on YouTube that explain how to do the crochet, and even in one of my videos I explain how I do the crochet. So I will link the video in this video so that you can know how to do the crochet. So guys, keep on watching and continue to enjoy the video.
Inside the book that I wrote are all the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, deciphering the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. You can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how.
So coming to the front of the hair, I reduce the quantity of the hair that I use. I make it more tinier so that it will not be bulky. And at the place where my pattern is, I did the invisible pattern where you use one part of the braiding hair to lock it instead of using 2 of them to lock it, so that it will lap very well and not be too bulky. I have a video on that. I will still link it on this video so that you can go and watch how I did it, where I explained it very well. After that, I use some Eco Styler gel to smooth the flyaways, making it to look more better. So after crocheting, I have to trim it because of the ends of the hair. They are not good and they don't look good. So I use the razor comb to trim it down to the length that I want. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Then I use this leave-in conditioner, the argan oil leave-in conditioner, to add some shine and make the hair smell good. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. You can't stop it To maintain the coils, always put the hair in twist or in braids before you go to bed, and lose it whenever you're going out and you see the coils coming back popping again. So this is the coils after I lose the braids I did before going to bed. You see, the coils came back better. You don't need to put it in hot water again, you just lose the braids and you see the coils much more better. And this is the back. I like the outcome of the hair. I like the outcome of the coils. So guys, this is the final look. You can achieve this kind of coils using the expression hair. That is what I used. And this is 2 packs of expression hair that I used. I cut them into 3 and stretch it. Then you have this. You stretch it, you braid it or you twist it. You have this kind of coils and you crochet it. And it can last up to 2 to 3 weeks or even 1 month. It depends on how you maintain it. And if you want to change this kind of coils and make it look a different kind of coil, I will do that in my next video. So guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and be part of us. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and always remain blessed. Cheers. Bye.
Baby,